I thought I knew where the plane is. Why is the plane not there? There's a smaller plane. I'm gonna have to be tempted to take this one just for now. It's like a Cessna 170. Get in the damn plane. There goes a commercial airliner. Oh, it'll come back though, right? This is November Lima Sierra 894. We are taxiing on taxiway. I don't know, unmarked taxiway. Looks like we'll be departing. Runway 12. Please clear runway 12. We will be departing shortly. Gear up. And we are climbing. It's a lovely night over Los Santos. Look at that skyline, folks. I can't see anything with these sunglasses on. Whoops. I probably should have picked a faster plane than this damn Cessna. Well, let's see how high... Ooh, there's a plane. That's what I wanted to steal. This helicopter can't hang with me. Come on. You're a freaking helicopter. So we've got ailerons here. We've got... Oops! Screenshot. That was a mistake. Oh. Pro tip. It can be dangerous when your dismount button that was an accident. That was an accident. I